Sometimes your house just needs like a full declutter. And when that's the case, it can be super overwhelming and trying to figure out where to start and what to focus on when everything feels like it just needs your attention. So I am breaking down an easy way to kind of go through your entire house, plan out what actually needs to be decluttered, and then how to get started. All you need is a piece of paper, a pen, and your eyeballs. So what is this fun strategy? Well, I'm gonna share it with you right now. I start by making my list of to organize. So I take my pen, my pad of paper, and I walk around the entire house. I feel like the office is fine, so I'm just gonna leave that. The entryway is fine. Our dining room has a lot of our school stuff. So I could do dining room. So I'm going to write that down. Then I keep walking. Our living room, yeah, we kind of have some stuff. So that's an easy one to write down. We have books on the floor, so I need to do that. I'll just count that as living room. Let's see. Our kitchen is pretty fine. That's an easy fix. Pantry. Pantry looks good. Let's see. I probably could go through the mudroom, so I'm going to write down mudroom. And then we have this random closet that we call the shoe closet because it's where all the shoes are. That looks fine. And then in our laundry room, kind of our hot mess. So laundry room, totally going to organize. Okay, so now that my list is made, I can do one of two things, depending on your mood and energy level. So you can take these and then just knock out the entire room in one sitting, or we can break it up even smaller. So to break this up even smaller, I'm going to say dining room. And so to break up dining room, I'm going to write the room at the top. And then I'm going to look around the room in specific locations. So I'm going to say the top of drawer thing. I don't know what that's called. I'm sure it has a name, but I don't know. Whatever. I would need to do the top of the drawer thing. I need to do the table. Right, clear off. I'm going to say reorganize. Space, because under the stairs is the space, and then go through each one and do the exact Now, I'm sharing this strategy as an easy way of something that I like to do when it comes to organizing my home, because when I'm like, oh my God, everything's a mess, it turns out not everything is actually a mess. There are areas, yes, but not everything is. So writing it all down helps me see kind of what I need to focus on and what, isn't that big of a deal. But if that idea is super overwhelming, then in my ADHD home reset workbook, the procrastinating guide, because I procrastinate by overthinking, and that's what I call it, I have a giant list of all of the areas that you can kind of start with to get yourself going so you don't have to overthink it. And it's really easy to follow. You can find that where you're watching this video. Plus, the workbook has this super fun reward spinner. So what the spinner does is it gives you super fun rewards. Use the spinner, take a paper clip and a pencil, stick it right on the middle of it and flick. Oh, my reward, I get to watch YouTube. Whoop, whoop. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And these are the videos that YouTube thinks you will love. Make sure to check them out.